Picture this. You hit snooze for the 5th time, staring at the ceiling, feeling like the weight of the world is pinning you down. Not depression, not burnout, just this deep, unshakable pull to do absolutely nothing. If that's you right now, stop scrolling. This isn't just fatigue. This is your soul hitting the emergency brake, screaming for a total reset. And ignoring it could be the biggest mistake of your life. In a world obsessed with hustle and grind, where rise and shine means chasing the American dream at full speed, that urge to lie down all day feels like failure. But what if it's the opposite? What if it's your inner compass redirecting you toward a life of real purpose, power, and unbreakable strength? Buckle up, I'm about to reveal why this lazy feeling is actually your superpower in disguise, and how embracing it could launch you into your most epic chapter yet. You wake up, and before your feet even touch the floor, that invisible anchor drags you back under the covers. It's not laziness, it's a signal from deep within, louder than any alarm. Americans are wired for action. Coffee in hand, to-do lists a mile long, pushing through no matter what. But when that drive vanishes, most people panic. They label it procrastination, slap on more caffeine, or beat themselves up for not being productive enough. Sound familiar? Here's the game changer. This isn't a breakdown, it's a breakthrough in progress. Your energy isn't gone, it's being rerouted, pulled away from the soul-sucking routines, dead-end jobs, or toxic vibes that no longer serve you, and funneled towards something massive. A new career pivot, a passion project that's been simmering, deeper relationships that actually fuel you. Your psyche knows the truth before your brain does, and is forcing a timeout to align you with your true potential. Push against it, and you'll stay stuck. Lean in and watch your life transform faster than you ever imagined. Think you've hit rock bottom? Nah, this is the launch pad for your comeback story. If you've been glued to your bed, questioning everything from your job to your sanity, you're in elite company. High achievers, entrepreneurs, even celebrities like Oprah or Elon Musk have shared their dark nights of the soul. Those quiet, heavy periods where nothing clicks. That nagging doubt, am I done? Is this my new normal? It's universal. But here's the secret. You're not lost. You're leveling up. This phase isn't permanent. It's a plot twist in your hero's journey. Remember, every great American success story, from rags to riches billionaires to Olympic champions, includes a hidden chapter of doubt and recharge. They've been where you are, bedbound, brain-fogged, wondering if the fire's out for good. But they emerged stronger, wiser, and unstoppable. Why? Because they listened. They didn't force the old version of themselves back online. They let the heaviness do its work, rebuilding from the inside out. You're not failing, you're forging a version of you that's built to win big. Your body isn't betraying you, it's your ultimate truth teller. In a culture that glorifies no days off, we forget the body speaks volumes before the mind catches on. That heaviness in your chest, it's flagging the mismatches in your life. The 9-to-5 grind that's killing your creativity, the relationships draining your vibe, or the endless scroll that's numbing your dreams. It's not random, it's precise. Your unconscious mind detects the disconnects and hits pause, conserving energy for the real deal. Science backs this. Studies from Harvard and Mayo Clinic show chronic misalignment leads to adrenal fatigue and mental fog, but honoring rest flips the script. It's your built-in GPS recalibrating. So next time the urge hits, don't fight it. Tune in. What's out of sync? A career shift toward entrepreneurship? Ditching fake friends for real connections? Your body knows. It's time you listen. This exhaustion isn't from overwork, it's from outgrowing your old life. In the land of opportunity, we're taught to chase more. More money, more status, more everything. But when your soul evolves, that old hustle feels like chains. You feel drained even after a full night's sleep because your energy rejects the facade. It's protesting, this isn't you anymore. Maybe you've outgrown the corporate ladder, craving that side hustle freedom. Or perhaps family pressures are clashing with your personal growth. This isn't weakness, it's evolution. Your spirit is withholding fuel from the wrong path, saving it for the one that lights you up. Align with it, and boom, energy surges back, propelling you toward goals that feel effortless. Ignore it, and the heaviness lingers. But you're ready to pivot like a pro athlete dodging a tackle. Stop resisting, start ritualizing your rest. In the rush of American life, pausing feels rebellious. But here's your power move. Treat that bedtime as sacred strategy. When the pull comes, don't scroll or stress. Breathe deep, close your eyes, and affirm, I'm ready for the upgrade. Turn off notifications. Journal one question. What needs to change? This isn't laziness, it's leadership. You're commanding your inner world. Research from Stanford shows mindful rest boosts creativity and decision-making by 30%. So lie down with intention and watch insights flood in. No more guilt, just growth. You're not slacking, you're strategizing for dominance. You're not too sensitive, you're spiritually advanced. While others numb out with Netflix binges or happy hours, you feel the shift early. In a society that prizes toughness, this makes you a trailblazer. That heaviness, it's your intuition amplifying, refusing to let you settle. You're among the 1% who actually heed the call. Think visionaries like Steve Jobs, who retreated to find clarity. This isn't a curse, it's your edge. Embrace it and you'll outpace the crowd. The thaw is coming. Get ready for your resurgence. One morning, it'll hit. A spark to stretch, a craving for fresh air, a small win that snowballs. Your inner rebuild is complete. Energy returns not in a flood, but a steady stream. Cleaner, fiercer. Like emerging from hibernation, you'll charge into opportunities with laser focus. This winter phase, it was prepping your spring breakthrough. Ditch the shame, claim your power. That inner critic, it's outdated programming from a productivity-obsessed world. You're not dropping the ball, you're redefining the game. Guilt is the final purge before freedom. Release it and step into unapologetic self-mastery. You've earned this rest, now own it. This isolation, it's your VIP upgrade. Pulling back from the noise isn't withdrawal, it's wisdom. In a hyper-connected USA, where FOMO reigns, your soul craves solitude to recharge. Ditch the small talk, protect your energy. This detox clears out external static, letting your true voice emerge. Reconnect later, on your terms, stronger, more authentic. Feeling lifeless? You're on the verge of rebirth. Like a phoenix or a startup pivoting to success, this stillness is metamorphosis. Your cocoon phase dissolves the old you, birthing a powerhouse. Honor it spiritually and practically. Get that checkup, talk to a pro. Mental health matters. You're building resilience. If this resonates, smash that subscribe button for more life-hacking insights tailored for go-getters like you. Drop your story in the comments. What's your heaviness teaching you? Let's build a community of unstoppable souls. Until next time, rest up and rise stronger. You've got this.